Lunar New Year Traditions in Cantonese 農曆新年傳統
Preparation of Lunar New Year 過年準備
辦年貨 New Year's shopping. Before the Lunar New Year starts, we usually do New Year's shopping. In Cantonese, we call it 辦年貨. We would buy food, decorations, and flowers. Basically everything for the new year. 貼揮春 putting up spring couplets. 揮春 are the red banners you see on doors and walls with lucky faces written on them. We usually put them up to bring in good luck. If you want to learn more about the different lucky faces, check out my other videos about New Year's greetings. 年28, the 28th day of the last lunar month. On this day, we usually do a big cleaning at home. We call this 大掃除. In Cantonese, we also say 年28, 洗邋遢. 洗 means wash. 邋遢 means dirty. 洗邋遢 means wash away dirt. Basically, we wash away all the bad luck from the past year. 大除夕 Lunar New Year's Eve. On New Year's Eve, we have 團年飯, the reunion dinner. The whole family gathers, eat together. And after the dinner, some people will go to 年宵市場, a Lunar New Year fair. We can buy flowers, food and decorations and all other festive stuff there. 大年初一, the first day of the Lunar New Year. We pay New Year visits to families and relatives. We call this 拜年. My family usually bring some fruits and snack when we visit relatives. I always enjoy 拜年 in the new year. 利是 red packets.
利是 are small red envelopes with money inside.
Given as a gift. In Hong Kong, usually the married adults give 利是 to children. I remember when I was young, I always received a lot of 利是 from my family when we went 拜年. That's why I love 拜年 very much. 年初三, the third day of the Lunar New Year. This day is also called 赤口, red mouth. Traditionally, people believe it is easy to argue on this day, so some families just stay at home and avoid visiting others. For Lunar New Year, I would like to recommend a Cantonese song by twins. It's called 你最紅. It is a cheerful, energetic song. It's perfect for this Lunar New Year atmosphere. Please click the link below to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. 恭喜發財. See you next time.